Hello, my name is Dakshin, and I will be showing my portfolio so far for the Intake application. Starting off, this here is a render that I made just over 2 years ago. It's one of the first renders I've ever made. I had ever made. It's basically just a depiction of a standard DNA. Yeah, so that's that. This here is my this is a sculpt of Grogu, the character from Mandalorian. It's one of the first sculpts I've ever made. I'd never worked with any other 3D software at this point, and it was just a test to see how far I would get. This is just a screenshot of a simple environment that was made within Blender. It just showcases like a moody living room. I also tried doing some interior design, as you can see. This is my one of my I think it's my second render or so. Basically, it depicts a couple of pieces of paper fluttering in the wind that formed to make a heart shape, and in the background of the sunset. The sunset was made by following a tutorial. The the rocks and that you can see here are assets that I just made through trial and error. This piece here is just a thing that I made following a YouTube tutorial. It's just a purple planet with a simple ring around it. It was meant to be a test to see how fast I could make renders such as this, like a planet render, I guess. This was a very quick render I made just over 2 years ago. It's basically just me focusing on procedural textures and figuring out how that works with normals and everything. This is one of my favorite renders. So it's basically just a simple spherical ripple vase model thing, and the focus of this was the texturing here, the procedural texturing. So yeah, this is a custom made thing. I combined a couple of different tutorials and just prior knowledge that I gained from the previous projects. This character here is just a simple snail character. I made this just like a couple months ago during my study at the Gerrit Rietveld Academy in Amsterdam, and yeah, that's basically just it. This model here is a custom car model. It's based on a variety of different cars. I don't remember off the top of my head specifically which ones, but I could definitely say for sure a Cadillac. It's the main focus of this was trying to achieve a sort of realistic but CGI look. And I think I've achieved that. And for the last piece of my portfolio is this drill here. This drill was something that I made just over a month ago. Yeah, just a month ago. It was for my intake assessment for BUOS CMGT. I had applied there right before applying for this study. So this entire portfolio piece, is basically the product from start to finish. This shows my works in progress and everything, all the drawings. So this was made from exact measurements, and that's it. These are just scans of the technical drawings that I made in order to create a accurate model of the drill. Thank you very much.